Okay, next we're going to complete cube number 7 in the isometric cube activity drawing series. First thing we want to do is select File and New. And we're going to choose the standard IPT icon. We're going to create a Start 2D Sketch and Start 2D Sketch. And again, we're going to draw this on the XY plane. So hover over the XY plane and select it with your mouse. Next, we're going to choose the rectangle command, and we're going to draw a 5x5 rectangle. So type in 5 tab 5 and enter. Next, we're going to create depth with this, so we want to finish it, finish the sketch, and we want to extrude it. So select your extrude command from the toolbar, and we want to type in 5 up here in the dialog box for our depth, and OK. Next, we want to choose the front of the cube here to create a sketch on it. So again, with your mouse, click on the front of the cube and select the icon all the way to the right, Create Sketch. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle that lives kind of right in here, and I want to draw it so that it's 1 by 2. So type in 1 tab 2 and enter. And then we're going to use our dimensioning tool so that we can move that rectangle to a precise location to where it lives. I'm going to click on the bottom of this rectangle and dimension it down to the bottom of the cube. And we want this to be 3 inches. So type in 3 and enter. And then we're going to dimension from the side of the cube to the side, or the side of the rectangle to the side of the cube. And we want to type in 2 and enter. And we're going to finish the sketch. And we're going to extrude this. So click on that rectangle that we want to extrude with your mouse. We need to change directions. And we want it to pass all the way through the cube. Select OK. Next, we're going to create a sketch on the right side of the cube. So over here, we want to select the right side of the cube. And again, select the icon all the way to the right called Create Sketch. And we're going to make that same rectangle over here on the right-hand side and place it in the exact same location as we did on the front. So right about here, I'm going to select my mouse button. And again, I want to type in 1 tab 2 and enter. And I want to use my dimensioning tool to move it to a precise location of where it lives. And again, we're going to select 3 and enter. And I want to dimension from the side of the rectangle to the side of the cube and type in 2 and enter. Next, we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to select that rectangle that we want to extrude. Again, select direction 2 in the dialog box and select OK. And there it is. There is cube number 7.